guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna make some faux presents. For that we're gonna need two boxes. I'm using this type of boxes that are kids boxes, but you can find similar ones on the 99-cent store, on the dollar store, or any kind of store. We're gonna need also some ribbon. I'm using this burlap with poinsettias. And also we're gonna need this type of bows that we can find on the 99-cent store or dollar store, and one of these tags that I bought from the 99-cent store costed 99 cents. First of all, we're gonna spray paint our boxes on silver, as you can see, using Rust-Oleum. Then we're gonna stack them up like this using hot glue. While our glue heats, we're gonna take one of this beautiful bows, and like this it won't look good, but we're gonna take off this part. We're gonna take it off by cutting it a little bit like this, and taking off this, and using our hot glue gun, we're gonna put a dollop of glue here and seal it back. This we can save it for another project. Now we have our bow that can go here, as you can see. Now it looks really good. And now that our glue gun is hot, we're gonna stack our boxes by putting some hot glue here and putting one on top of the other one. Alright, and now for the fun part, we're gonna take our ribbon, we're gonna put some hot glue here, and being really careful because this is hot, like really hot, we're gonna stick this to the inside of our box by tapping or using something to put it. We're gonna do the same procedure in the whole box, and I'm gonna show you how it turns out. Now that we covered the four sides with our ribbon, we're gonna work on the top part, and for that we're gonna need our bow that we have it here, and we're gonna need our ribbon, the one that we were working with, and we're gonna make a bow like this to put this one on top of it. And for that, what we're gonna make is a couple of loops like so. Then we're gonna put this one here, and I want our bow, let me show you, I want our bow not like this but like this. So what we're gonna make, we're gonna give it a huge amount of hot glue, and we're gonna stick it in the middle and press it down. And remember the legs, we can add those legs to the sides like this, by folding and putting them like this. but in the other side because our bowl was a little bit like this now we have it. Okay, and we can use them. We bend it a little bit and we get them here, and they act like two bow legs. I'm using that word too much, bow legs. If someone knows the actual name for that in English, let me know, please, because I feel bad calling them legs if they are not legs. But over here, we call them legs. That's why I call them legs. And now, we have it completely done. So we're gonna fluff our bowl a little bit so I can show you how this turned out. And this is how a beautiful gift set turned out. As you can see, I added the gift tag. This is our bowl. Look how it turned out, and this is how they look. They are beautiful decor for a table or mantle. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching these type of videos. Take care. Bye.